Yeah guys, just wanted to show you this awesome Ywitio golf hitting practice net for indoor and outdoor use. Of course I have to disclose that I got it for free from the seller, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. Here I'm using it outside for the whole family. The great thing, it's super easy to put up. You can do most of it alone. I only needed a little bit of help with the second pole after the crossover, but I'm sure there's a trick to also do this alone. Other than that, super easy, very intuitive, especially if you have already put up one of these new style tents, which come in very similar style. And we get all kind of accessories. One of the highlights, of course, the turf with a 60mm fairway turf, a 35mm rough turf. It has even a decent ball tray for up to 12 golf balls. Comes with non-slip bottom and is made out of 10mm heavy duty rubber. Comes also with a target sheet which you can easily apply. Inside has 3 openings, left top, center top and right top, and comes also with a center target for basic skills but with no opening. And the whole construction is super solid thanks to the fiberglass rods, the 600D Oxford fabric and the 260G nylon net. Of course we are not pros, especially not me. I'm actually more a beginner, but we have been shooting as hard as possible. Until now there's absolutely no wear or tear to see. The set comes also with a large capacity carrying bag where everything fits nicely into. We get 5 golf balls and also a soft rubber golf tee which you can add in these 2 different sections, either the rough turf or the fairway turf. And we get also 4 ground stakes which you can use to secure this practice net in all the 4 corners down to the ground. But they are actually not needed unless you have some strong wind, because the construction is made that it holds the 4 corners automatically to the ground. So you can also use it on a hard surface like our new pavers area which we have outside. And so it has been working absolutely awesome to play a little bit, practice a little bit. Again, I'm a total beginner. Some family members are a little bit more experienced, but we had a lot of fun. Definitely something we'll keep on the side for family reunions. And one more awesome thing I've noticed: when you're done for the day and want to secure this golf hitting practice net a little bit better overnight, definitely recommended to take it down. And for that you only have to disconnect the 2 front ends. You can do this alone and then just put it down on the floor, secure it maybe with an umbrella stand, and when you're ready in the next morning, just put it up and connect the 2 ends and you're ready again in 2 minutes without additional help. We have usually placed the tee around 3 feet away from the net, and that turned out really good because from this angle it's virtually impossible to not hit the net. Not even for a total beginner like me. We have been hitting around 100 golf balls or so and not a single one has been missing the net. But as an extra safety measure you can also use a set of these foam golf practice balls. Works also perfect. The only thing which you don't get, of course, is a golf club. And so for me I've just been ordering a number 7 iron single golf club with a 34 degrees angle, and it turned out that it's absolutely perfect for this golf hitting practice net. So overall a very positive experience from setting this up, usage, putting it back into the box or in the carry bag. Sturdy enough even for hard hitting, makes a lot of fun. Definitely something to consider for you to just practice or have some fun with the family. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this golf hitting practice net, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.